Hello, this is the lawnmower I'm selling. And it's a building that lives right across the way from where I live. And the buildings on either side. I happen to be a legitimate individual who's trying to sell a lawnmower. $80. Works. Works. A little bit of grass is on it. I cut, pulling it to the porch. Because I walk with a cane. I can't mow. I went through a car windshield. Anyway, still $80. Leave a comment. I'm near Waterloo and Cedar Rapids. Quasqueton. Sell it to you for $80 cash. I took it out to the Amish. They said it was too modern for them. So I brought it back in town. Been sitting in the car, waiting. The woman or whoever it is wanted to have a second phone number. This is the only phone number I have. I got the phone in January. She said she was having issues with it. So, there it is. Leave me a note, okay? Love to sell it. I normally sell books. Bye.